Hello, children. Today we are going to learn about my classroom. A classroom is a place where pupils learn with their teacher. There are many things in the classroom. We use them to learn every day. The teacher helps pupils learn new things. Pupils listen, learn, read, and answer questions in class. We should behave well in the classroom. Listen to the teacher and be respectful. We should always keep our classroom clean and tidy. The classroom is a place to learn, play, and grow together. We should walk carefully and avoid pushing others in class. Our classroom is a special place where we learn many wonderful things every day.